हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है कि खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का आगाज़ करते हैं फिर से एक न्यू डिश के साथ। So today we are diving into the world of sugary goodness by making donuts. Yes, the round fluffy deliciousness that we all love. स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्रेडिएंट से। सबसे पहले हमने एक बाउल के अंदर ऑयल ऐड कर दिया है। उसके बाद हमने इसमें 4 टेबलस्पून योगर्ट ऐड किया है। इसके बाद हमने इसमें एक अंडा ऐड किया है। To blend it all together, इसके बाद 1/2 cup of granulated sugar for that sweet touch. One tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup of flour because we are all about that dough. After mixing it, place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover it with a clean towel and let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles its size. Once your dough has risen, punch it down. Heat up your pan, hot enough to fry but not so hot that you need a fire extinguisher. Carefully place the donuts in the hot oil, a few at a time. Fry them until they are golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Flip them gently like you're handling delicate fryers. Once they are done, transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to drain any excess oil. While the donuts are cooling slightly, let's make the glaze. Dip each warm donut into chocolate and sprinkle the powdered sugar on it. Thanks for joining us on this donut adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious, fun recipes.